It is incredible how broad the brain diversity is. Come, get exposure, and let's wake up astrocytes, the sleeping giant of neuroscience. Reach out to know about how they support the interplay in cortical circuits, allowing complex behavior. We will be providing details in the interplay between inhibitory neurons and astrocytes, resulting in excitation-inhibition balance control. Let's discuss the role of astrocyte as a hub for controlling inhibition in cortical circuits, evolving as novel pathways for understanding the behaviorally relevant modulation of cortical information. This emerging research is allowing us to get closer to understand goal-directed behavior frameworks. Join us at FENS Forum for the Young Investigator Prize Lecture, sponsored by Wiley, the publisher of European Journal Neuroscience.